Hey Loyal, you want some avocado? Hey kid, you wanna try it? Do you want some? No? Do you want some avocado? No? How about your brother? You want some? Good. Yep, that's good stuff. Hey Loyal, how about you? Do you want some avocado? Hey kid. Loyal. Do you want some avocado? Do you want some? It's good. I don't really think it's good, but babies like it. No? How about you? No? That's been in your brother's mouth. You don't care. Anum. Hey Loyal, avocado. Good. Good avocado. Good. Good. You want some? You want some of this? Hey kid. A loyal little baby. Who's a little baby? Who's a little baby who loves avocado?